Decisions, modules are considered extra features and are essentially downloadable content which add on features to the default settings provided in the platform. Installing modules can help with things such as being able to create approval chains, helping organize a process with a set of flow steps, electronically signing a document with DocuSign, or if something is not available, there is an option of uploading a custom module. To install a module in Decisions, you must be in the Designer Studio. Navigate to the Systems folder and expand the Administration tab. If you then select the Features folder, a view of all the modules that can be installed will be listed on the right column of the screen. As you scroll through, you will see that the modules provide a short description of what becomes available when installing the module. If we choose to install the DocuSign module, for example, a pop-up notification will appear in the top right corner of your screen, notifying you of the installation progress. Once the module is installed, you can refresh your screen and then you will notice the installed module is now added to the left column in the Features view. We can also navigate to the Features folder in the folder tree to see the list of downloaded modules. After installing a module, you must restart the Service Host Manager before the module can be used in the Decisions platform. If you have any other questions about installing modules in Decisions or learning about the different modules, make sure to check out our documentation site at documentation.decisions.com or email support@decisions.com with any questions.